This is the best non-stick pots and pans for everyday kitchen use. It's also great for special meals. This 17-piece cookware set has everything you need, including 2 fry pans, a wok with lid, a square pan, a saucepan with lid, 2 casserole pots with lids, a steamer, 2 baking trays, and even 2 silicone utensils. The pots and pans are made with a durable aluminum core and a granite non-stick coating that prevents food from sticking. So you can cook healthier meals with less oil. And with the added safety of being free from lead, PFAO, et PFAO, this cookware is both eco-friendly and safe for your family. The induction-ready base heats quickly and evenly, making it perfect for all types of stoves, gas, electric, and glass. The sturdy bakelite handles make it easy to grip, and each pot and pan is easy to clean with a quick hand wash. This 17-piece cookware set has everything you need to cook delicious meals for your family and friends. So why wait? Add this versatile and reliable cookware set to your kitchen today.